Hey, Upper Elementary. Wish you were here to work on some of this math with me and we could correct it together, but we're going to try something new here. Let's go through a few examples from every page of the packet from your experience weeks. We'll see what we can get done, and I will post a corrected answer sheet online for you to go through after you try a few more on your own. Adding fractions. Starting, looking at the denominators, that's the bottom number. These are common. 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4, nothing to be reduced. 3/6 plus another 3/6. We know that's going to give us how many 6 do we have? We're going to look at the numerator. Add 3 plus 3, giving us 6. 6 over 6 equals 1 whole. Down at the bottom, it just wanted you to match them up visually with the corresponding picture. Next, we move on to subtraction of fractions. First thing we look at, denominators. Bottom number, are they common? If not, we need to convert them. Luckily for us, they have common denominators. We have 1/2, subtract 1/2. That gives us 0. We have 4/6 minus 2/6. That leaves us with 2/6, which can be reduced to 1/3. Subtracting like fractions. Next page. This is just multiplying a fraction with a whole number. While you guys know how to do this, what might look new about this is the visual representation. This is just another aid, another visual to help you with this problem. But ultimately what this means, we have 5/9 multiplied by 3 whole. You could write that as 5 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 1, which is really 3 whole. But what this visual is giving you the opportunity to do is this is broken into 1 whole, 2 whole, but it's broken into 9ths. So for every 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is one group of 5/9. Let's give it a second group of 5/9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a second group of 5/9. We have one more group of 5/9 to distribute here. As you can see here, we have 3 groups of 5/9. Looking at that, a few things that we know. That equals how many 9ths do we have? We counted every one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 9ths. Unfortunately, that is an improper fraction at the moment. We can convert that to a mixed fraction or a mixed number, which is a whole number with a fraction, by taking 9/9 out of that, 1 whole. So we are going to take that out. That gives us 1 whole. If we subtract 9 out of there, giving us our 1 whole, we are left with the remaining 6/9, which that fraction can be reduced, giving you a finished, completed answer of 1 2/3. Looking at the number line, if you were to break this up, 15/9 or 1 2/3 would fall right here on your number line. Same concept. Now, what we're looking at is division. Division with a whole number, division with a fraction. Few things to remember when we are dealing with division and fractions. You guys like to call it keep, flip, change, or KFC, or keep, change, flip. Whatever it is, it works either way. First thing we're going to do when we see 4 whole divided by 1/3. On paper, 4 over 1 is 4 whole. That is our keep. We are going to keep that. Now we're going to flip. Second step. We are going to flip this or change it. Change the division or flip it to a multiplication. If we are doing that, then we change or flip the fraction. When you divide by a fraction, you multiply by its reciprocal. So 4 divided by 1/3 becomes 4 multiplied by 3 over 1, because the reciprocal of 1/3 flipped is, or the reciprocal is 3, or 3 over 1. Looking on paper, giving you an answer of 4 divided by 1/3 with an answer of 12. What does that look like here on this representation? They're taking this 4 and break 4 whole all the way down to here. They are breaking each whole number into thirds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Those are thirds. While that is 1 whole, they broke them into thirds, showing you that there are 12 of those. Did it again. I'll be back.